Hundreds of new jobs will be created on Teesside as early as next spring. Up to 700 people could be employed to build a new plant which will turn waste into renewable energy.
American firm Air Products has been granted planning permission to develop the site at Billingham Business Park. It'll employ between 50 and 70 full-time workers when it's up and running. Andy Kerr reports.
It doesn't look like much at the moment, but this 120-acre site in Billingham next to the old ICI plant could soon be another thriving industrial site in a town with a proud industrial heritage. American firm Air Products have been granted permission to build an advanced gasification plant. The renewable energy production facility will turn waste that would have been destined for landfill into enough gas energy to power 50,000 homes in the region. The firm are expected to start construction in spring next year and will employ between 500 and 700 people in the construction phase and up to 70 once the plant is built.
This is exactly the kind of investment that we want in the Tees Valley to help businesses move into the low carbon economy, but also about power supply for the future based on low carbon energy systems.
That's what Teesside's all about. If we can reinvigorate the industry, get meaningful jobs back into the area, it's technology that this is world beating. If we can get others to come to the site with similar sort of approaches, it's got to be good for Teesside.
Impetus, who own the site, have moved over 2 million tonnes of material since October last year to prepare the land. It's been a long job with environmental concerns central. The area is designated for industrial use, but the ponds on the land are home to several species of bird and other wildlife. As part of the planning permission to redevelop the site, the developers have agreed to construct 8 new ponds which will provide homes for the wildlife and birds currently on this site. They say that will provide 50% larger water mass than the 300,000 square metres here now. The site will be up and running by 2014. The land developers say they already have other big companies interested in taking up the rest of the 120-acre site soon afterwards. Andy Kerr reporting.